Hi, I'm Susan from Colorful Dimensions, and I want to welcome you, and I want to thank you for subscribing if you subscribe to my channel. I have been needing to do a proper introduction for quite a while, and just haven't done it. I craft flowers, cards, prefer to cross stitch. I draw, I color, I paint. I've been doing crafts probably off and on as far as I can remember. My grandparents were crafty people, and I learned some things from them. My father he liked to draw, but didn't ever have the time to draw, as he was a working man. My mother is a musician. She plays by ear, doesn't read music, and I too have acquired a musical ear. So I just wanted to say hi, glad to meet you, and I hope you come back. See you later. Bye.